Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help Ama Fans Wethu TV get to 40,000 subscribers. Welcome to Ama Fans Wethu TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns won. Ama-Tuks won. Mamelodi Sundowns wins via penalties. I'm joined by Jessica.
Awe Brian Kadintang.
I'm not.
Bona.
Yeah. Uyibona jwang game ya today?
Game ya today ni Leona mfanaka.
Ne Leona?
Aginya ko rasa. Wana Sundowns ne. Sona le ANC. Itlo phela ile the ruling party.
Always.
Before I was born ne.
Yeah.
Kiba ANC ile yona the ruling party.
Yeah.
Kanyalwa mfanaka.
Yeah.
Ka divorce.
Yeah.
Abeka bale bana ba ithe.
Yeah.
ANC sale the ruling party.
So le Sundowns tlo dula jwalo.
Aginya ko rasa.
Anya ko rasa.
Khopela ho tswa.
No, son, man of the match.
Man of the match, I have my band.
Mabena.
Morning one. Bare uyenzakalani? Uyeka masepa.
Awuthi umfana number tsawo.
Una le tsona already.
Busy my pen.
Very fine.
Awe.